Hello everyone, it's Unreal Short and Easy, and now we are continuing to create a top-down shooter. Today we will add movement animations to our project. Let's start. First open Mixama and download the rifle idle animation. Set the download parameter skin value to without skin and download it. Then find Walk Backwards and tick the In Place checkbox before downloading. Download Walk Left and Walk Right animations, and don't forget about In Place checkbox. Finally download Walk Forward animation. Now we can import all of our animations into the project, but before that create a folder named Characters in Asset Folders. Then create a folder with your character's name and move your character model here. Add another folder for animations. Import the downloaded animations into the animations folder. And set your character's skeleton in the import options. Check the animations. Next, create a blend space named BS Movement. Then add names and maximum minimum values for axes. For the horizontal axis, set the name to right speed. For the vertical axis, set the name to forward speed. Set the minimum to -600 and the maximum to 600 for both axes. Move the idle animation to 0 position on the blitz place. Set the walk right animation to a right speed of 200 and the walk left animation to a right speed of -200. For both animations, set the forward speed to 0. Move the forward and backward animations to the blend space. Set the forward speed to 300 for walk forward and -300 for walk backward. Set the right speed to 0 for both animations. Now we should create an animation blueprint. Open the Blueprints folder and create a Characters folder. Move BP character to this folder. Then create an animation blueprint named ABP character. In the animation blueprint, add 3 variables. One for forward speed and another for right speed. Both of which should be of type float. and a third variable for the character. Open the event graph and implement the blueprint initialize animation event. Use try_get_pawn_owner and cast it to the character class. Set the casting result as a character value. In the update animation event, use the character to find speed. First check if the character is valid. Then set the forward speed equal to the dot product of velocity and the forward vector. Set the right speed equal to the dot product of velocity and the right vector. Go to Animations graph and add a bleed space. Pass the right and forward speed variables to it. And return it as output pose. Set the animation blueprint as the animation class in the character class. And change the walk max speed to 300. Test it. The animation works. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.